bit. I can't zoom in, sorry guys. What? Good. I think we stop for now. Right.
Ball.
If I put, right, let's try it again. If I put the camera there. Sorry. No. Phone isn't staying. Oh! Here we are.
Crikey. How? Crikey.
Look at that one! I don't think we're going to play any intricate music today.
It was huge.
Right, let's keep on watching. Hopefully, it should come back again. If they don't come back in the next 5 minutes, I'll just stop the video. And if there's more after that, we'll get another video. So yeah, been watching the fireworks. We've been outside, so watching them outside as well. Now we just have to wait, see if they do any more. I don't exactly know if they will. I can hear some, but I just can't see them at the minute. There's no